Hi, I'm Dr. Siegal with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Edline. Edline 4 months ago came to us with quite an extensive amount of hair loss and trusted us in going ahead and starting the treatment for hair loss and giving her a new perspective of wearing hair out again. And came in for a 4-month follow-up, and as you can see, the hair has already started growing. Really excited. How do you feel about your 4-month follow-up now?
I'm very excited. I can't wait for it to grow out some more so I can cut it and have a very nice short little cut for summer.
And how was the procedure for you? How was the incision site?
It healed very quickly. I think I came back in 2 weeks and I barely could even tell where it was.
And now I can't even find the suture line, believe it or not. She's doing a great job. And the reason why we're doing the 4-month video is to allow people to understand that at 4 months, this is when the hair starts growing. And we're gonna follow her, the progression of hair growth at 4 months, 9 months, and a year, so you can actually see how hair actually grows. And it's really exciting to see you come visit us.
Yes.
You look amazing. Beyond excited to see where this is gonna take us and see the hair growth and see how excited you are in a year from now, and let alone 8 months from now.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Anything you want to share with people out in the YouTube world?
Definitely, if you're considering it, I would recommend it. It was a very easy process. I was back to work without a hassle, and honestly, it was very flexible within my daily schedule. I didn't even realize I did surgery.
It really is a simple procedure. It's actually easy. So
Yeah.
I've had the procedure done. Edline now has had the procedure done. And anybody who's interested in a hair transplant, please call us here at Natural Transplants.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.